Hello, here at Retrospective. Winter time, we're gonna show you what we got at the yard. Right, we start up here with a few different things. Here we have my own personal scooter, a Lambretta Series 2 from 1961. We go over here, we got a push maxi, a Peugeot one, and different Lambrettas. This one is going to be converted to electric, and we got also a few different projects in there to work on. And here we have a Mobilette, it's for sale on the website actually, very nice bike. And also an LD that came in for some work, and we're going to be putting it together. And we're going to show you in the workshops what we're working on. We can start with the Lambretta workshop, so let's take a look. So Lambretta workshop here. Right, so here in the Lambretta workshop, Jerry's been working on, this is a full restoration of an SX200 bike, which is coming along really well. So at the moment he's just put all the cables, tank, toolbox, seat, he's getting there. And headset is being worked on as well. And as you can see, the engine as well on the bench. Once everything is ready for the engine, it's just gonna go in. And yeah, let's take a look at the different workshops. Okay. Right, so now we're gonna show you the electric conversion workshop with James works. So here, I believe this is no, sorry, stop there. This is a Cushman. This is Cushman.
Well, do you want to change positions and then I'll take over the explanation?
Explain what you're working on. Here we go.
Right, so my workshop, usually the one behind the camera. We have a Cushman here, it's coming for electric conversion. The frame is quite bent, there's a lot to straighten up on it. It's going to be a fairly big project, take quite a while. But a project for the winter, probably overdone in the summer. All the batteries on the shelf right over there, so that's what you get in your Vespa or Lambretta when you buy a conversion kit. Got some, this is a Lambretta kit swinging arm with the motor in, a wide mount hub motor swinging arm, and still got to do a video on Niall's old workshop, the book. We'll get to that at some point. A lot of videos that we have to still do. But yeah, this is the electric workshop. We'll now go over to Franco's workshop, which is the Vespa workshop, and have a look around there.
Right, now let's go to my workshop, the Vespa workshop. All the bits quick. Go. There it comes out. Right, so we have the Vespa workshop here. This is where I do engines and restorations. We have a few scooters here as well. This one just came in, a very rare French Acma scooter, GL, from 1957. That is going to be only mechanically rebuilt.
And for those people that say it's not a GL?
It is a GL, 100% a GL, original, with the original seat as well. It's just a lovely patina bike. It's got very, very rare accessories and things that are very hard to find. This one is a friend of mine's scooter. As you can see, he loves the leopard print. Recently, he's had an accident. He had leopard print underwear, and you know now that's need to be changed as well. But yeah, we're gonna work on his exhaust. We need to change the exhaust because it's bashed up. And then over here I'm working on an engine, P200 engine, PX200. As you can see, we just check that the crank is not twisted or anything. Everything's been taken apart. I've got to clean it up, and it's just gonna mechanically rebuild this bike. So yeah, looking forward to finish this project. And in here we have a Peugeot as well, we're working on to convert to electric.
Future projects.
Yeah, many different projects. So that's the Vespa workshop.
And Jerry loves his large disappointment engines that he keeps tuning and breaking.
Oh yes. Right, now we are going to show you the body shop.
Don't you want to do the yellow scooter first?
Yeah, so let me show you, let me talk about this yellow scooter we have here. This is a 50cc Vespa, rare because it's got pedals in it as well. So this is gonna be for sale soon on the website, so keep an eye for that. And then we also have different scooters here. Some of them are on the website, some of them are customers, and some of them we are working on them.
And that's Jerry scratching in the bin as usual.
Yeah, always looking for parts in the bin.
Okay, let's go.
Now let's show the body shape. Right, here in the body shop, we start with the first room over here, just the dirty room. And this is where Dave and Martin do their magic. This is where they kind of beat the frames and they do the filling and re-welding floors and all of that. Just prepare them for the next room, which is the primer room. We'll show you. They're working on different stuff here, different scooters. And we have, this is the primer room. So you can see there's some things that are prepared for primer. And after this room, we go on the next room, which is the paint room. Here is where he prepares all the paint and gets ready for painting. At the moment, it's nothing really being painted. Oh, there's a mudguard there, GS160 mudguard. It's ready for more paint. Let's go this way. Show you here we have different scooters. This is a very nice American scooter that came in with indicators. It's very unique as well. It's gonna be for sale as well on the website very, very soon. Yeah, we got some frames ready for restoration. They've been sprayed and yeah, they just need to be put back together.
And what is that?
Yeah, this is a very interesting project we are doing. Can I mention with who? I don't know.
Don't worry about with who.
Anyway, it's a project we are doing. It's gonna be an electric bike, but it is a German,
French. Manurin.
What's that? What's the name?
Manurin.
Manurin, that's the name of the scooter. So it's gonna be a very interesting scooter to work on. It's gonna be resprayed, completely restored, but it's gonna be electric. Yeah, and that's the body shop. Right, and the next room I'm gonna show you is our wine room / showroom. So you can see a lot more bikes in there. So let's take a look at that room. Right. Here we are in the wine room and / showroom to show you different Vespas and Lambrettas that we have. This is the room with the most precious scooters we have. You can start here with the Vespa 98, 1947. Lovely scooter for sale on the website as well. We got Farabassos, we got SX200, Li125, that's an electric Li125. Nice LD, very nice example of an LD. Electric Series 1, as well for sale on the website. And we got different GS150s, GL, that's a Behrman GS150, very nice. And the most important part of this room is the wine.
How many liters?
It's like 350 liters or something like that of wine. Grapes imported from Italy, straight from Italy. And yeah, if you buy a scooter, you get one of the bottles of our own wine.
Or you can come and have some wine while you look around.
That's it, come and have some wine with us. But yeah, and then we have an SS90 over here. A lot of people like the SS90. Very nice SS90, that's
Not for sale.
White. Yeah, Niles White SS90. But yeah, this is our showroom. So yeah, that's our showroom. So I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, we'll keep you posted.